Hello everyone, here we have my MSI Katana 15. Gonna be benchmark testing it in 3D Mark for all you people that are looking to purchase this laptop and want to see how it pars up as a gaming laptop. So I do have 3D Mark. I have the demo version because I am on a base profile right now. So let me see, let me go to benchmarks right here on the top. We're gonna do light for lightweight PCs. Let me close this Microsoft Store that's asking right here, and make sure the rendering device is correct. It has a 4070 RTX. It also comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a 13 Gen i7 processor. So let me run this and wait for this to load. I'll cut to that while it's running the benchmark. Alright, so the benchmark test is about to start right now. I'll let the laptop do all the talking, so I'll shut up. The FPS will be on the bottom of the screen. Enjoy. Alright, so that will conclude the benchmark test. It was like a 30-second, 40-second clip. Now the score will pop up right now in a couple seconds. Let's see what it did. Alright, so I got a 12,000 score and an average FPS of 88, which in my opinion is really great. So hopefully this helps anybody that's looking for this gaming laptop. And yeah, have a good day.